Can't sleep? This gives you stress. Tossing and turning, can't get to sleep. You think, oh my God, I've got work tomorrow. I've got an important meeting. I've got important projects to do and my brain will be no good. I'll be tired. I'll make mistakes. It's going to be a nightmare. I'll get fired. Whole family will be living in a cardboard box on the street. No, don't worry about it. If you can't sleep, get up. Get to work. Yeah, okay. The next evening, guess what? You'll sleep like a baby because you're going to be tired. Maybe you can go home early because you go to work super early. Maybe you get to work at 5 a.m. and you go home at 4 p.m. or something like that, or earlier. If you can't sleep, don't worry about it. Don't let it stress you. Just change your diary, change your timetabling, and keep pushing through because eventually your body will let you sleep.